Hi everyone, ever wanted to add a personal touch or security warning to your Windows login screen? Let me show you how to set up a custom message in just a few seconds. First, you need to press the Windows plus R key altogether on your keyboard and type secpol.msc and hit enter to open the local security policy windows. So from here, navigate to local policies and expand it and click on the security options. And now scroll down until you find the interactive Logon message text for the user attempting to log in. And now double click it, tap in your custom greeting and type the message, "Welcome to my laptop," and then hit apply and click OK. But we are not done yet. To give it a header, find the setting right above it called interactive Logon message title or user attempting to log in. And now double click that and type a title such as Authorized Users Only. All activities will be monitored, and click apply and OK. And now you are all set. Now every time someone tries to log into your PC, your custom message will be the first thing they see. If you found this video is helpful, follow for more Windows tricks and tips. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.